Also, this total value should be equivalent to omega naught into z square by n cube. It is equation where omega naught is equal to angular velocity of the electron in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Therefore, omega n is equal to this value. Now, the time period capital T is equal to 2 pi by omega n. That is equal to 2 pi by omega naught into n cube by z square. 2 pi by omega naught is also equivalent to T naught. But capital T is equal to the time period of the electron in the nth orbit is equal to T naught into n cube by z square. It is equation 3. From this formula, T is also proportional to n cube by z square. T proportional to n cube by z square. Formula for or expression for time period. Next one, what is the formula for how do energy of the electron in the nth orbit? Fourth one, energy of the electron in nth orbit. Energy of the electron in the nth orbit. Energy of the electron means when the electron is revolving around the nucleus, it has both kinetic energy and potential energy. Due to some speed, it has some kinetic energy. Due to some electrostatic force on the electron by the nucleus, it has some potential energy also. Therefore, first one, kinetic energy of the electron is equal to general formula half m into Vn square is equal to half m into, again Vn is equal to 2 pi k E square by h into z by n whole square, velocity square, or this is equal to half m into 2 cancel here, half m into square means 4 pi square k square e power 4 z square by h square into n square. That is equal to indro 2 pi square 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 2 2 pi square k square e power 4 by h square into m into z square by n square. Is equation 1. Kinetic energy. From this relation, kinetic energy is proportional to z square by n square. Next, second one, potential energy of the electron is given by Un is equal to, so what is the formula for potential energy in case of electrostatics? Potential energy between two charged particles separated by a distance r is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into ze into e by r or rn. Here negative sign means charge on the electron is equal to negative. That is equal to minus k into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to k into ze square into 1 by rn. 1 by rn means 4 pi square k into m into ze square by n square h square. Formula for rn. That is equal to minus 4 pi square into k square e power 4 by h square into m into z square by n square. It is equation 2. Is the formula for potential energy. Now the total energy is given by, total energy is equal to sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Therefore, that is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. After solving it, we can get the formula as minus 2 pi square 2 pi square k square m z square e power 4 by n square h square, or this is equal to minus 2 pi square k square e power 4 by h square into m into z square by n square. This is equation 3. Okay na? Or this is also equivalent to, this value is constant almost, m is also constant. 2 pi square k square e power 4 m by h square can be written as e naught into minus e naught into z square by n square, where e naught value 13.6 electron volts into z square by n square మొత్తం electron volts లో వస్తుంది. It is equation 4. కాబట్టి energy of the electron in the nth orbit is given by minus 13.6 into z square by n square. Okay na? Here 13.6 electron volts is the total energy of the electron in the ground state of hydrogen atom. So from these equations we conclude that what is the formula for kinetic energy? Ke is equal to, Ke is equal to 2 pi square k square e power 4 into m by h square into z square by n square. So 2 pi square k square e power 4 by h square into m into z square by n square. ఇది kinetic energy. Potential energy U is equal to minus 4 pi square into k square e power 4 by h square into m into z square by n square. Total energy is equal to minus 2 pi square k square e power 4 by h square into m into z square by n square. So clearly observe these three formulas: kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy. 2 pi square, 4 pi square, 2 pi square. Here negative, negative. Remaining all the parameters are same. Therefore from these three equations we can written as potential energy east, kinetic energy east, total energy. Ratio between these two quantities is equal to, potential energy means twice, minus 2 east. Kinetic energy is, it is a positive value, 1 east. Again total energy is also negative, minus 1. So PE east, K east, T is equal to minus 2 east, 1 east, minus 1. That is potential energy U is equal to minus 2 times kinetic energy. Total energy is equal to minus kinetic energy. Therefore total energy is always equal to minus K or U by 2. Is the relation between total energy, kinetic energy and potential energy of the electron. E is equal to minus K into U by 2.